Customized 3 meters 8 long push table saw. The maximum cutting stroke is 3.7 meters. The push table is a 42 centimeters European double-layer heavy-duty push table, sized to saw blades. Cutting thickness up to 7 cm. The saw blade can rise 12 centimeters. The saw blade can be tilted 45 degrees. Electronic digital display, electric lifting function, control panel, auxiliary stripping rack. A 1.8-meter ruler can stretch out to 3.3 meters. 2 auxiliary nesting rods. Positioning backer. The longest can be positioned to 1.3 meters with diagonal support. Oil injection pump. Machine with Odendo dust cover.